Mastering Online Purchases with Visa Gift Cards.
Welcome to this brief guide on how to use your Visa gift card for online purchases. We all know that Visa gift cards can be an excellent gift option or a versatile choice for personal use. But have you ever wondered how to use one for online shopping? Well, today is your lucky day. In this video, we will cover the steps you need to take to successfully make online purchases using a Visa gift card.
What is a Visa gift card?
A Visa gift card is a prepaid card that can be used to purchase goods and services anywhere Visa debit cards are accepted. This includes a wide range of online vendors and e-commerce platforms, making it incredibly flexible.
Registering your Visa gift card.
Before you can use your Visa gift card online, you must register the card. This usually involves going to the website listed on the card or its packaging and entering the card's 16-digit number, expiration date, and CVV code. You'll also need to provide your zip code, which will be used for purchases that require a billing address.
Making an online purchase.
Once your card is registered, you can use it for online shopping just like any other credit or debit card. Here's how. 1. Go to the website where you want to make a purchase. 2. Select the items you want and proceed to the checkout. 3. Choose Visa as your payment method and enter your registered Visa gift card number, expiration date, and CVV code. 4. Make sure to enter the same zip code that you used when registering your card. 5. Confirm your purchase and wait for the transaction to go through.
Tips and warnings.
Remember, a Visa gift card is a prepaid card, which means it has a set value. If your online purchase exceeds the amount on your gift card, you may need to use another form of payment to cover the difference. Also, some online merchants may pre-authorize a larger amount than the purchase price, which could decline if the card's balance isn't sufficient. And that's it. Now you know how to use your Visa gift card for online purchases. Always remember to check your balance before making purchases and register your card as soon as you can. Enjoy the convenience and flexibility that Visa gift cards provide. Happy shopping!